In this video, we're going to continue editing our roof a little bit, but also doing some advanced wall editing in order to go through and to fix some of the gaps that I'm seeing in my house design here. So if you're faced with the same problems, here's what you can kind of do. So one thing is that I'm going to end up seeing is that this roof actually needs to come over and meet to touch the wall. So under the Modify tab, I'm going to go to the option next to split face called Join Unjoin Roof. And you can kind of see how that works. So I'm going to click on that option. I'm going to click on the line right here that is sloping on this little section of roof. I'm going to go over and I'm going to see till it highlights the wall, and I'm going to select it. This roof is going to come over to make the adjustment. Okay, so from here, now I want to select the wall, and I'm going to edit the profile. Now it says I have to remove the top and base, which is fine, but I'm going to turn to the front here, and again I'm in the 3D view for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose pick lines, and I'm going to choose the underneath edges of this roof, and I'm going to click to align some of these here. Okay, from here I'm going to use a tool called Trim Extend to Corner. And what I do is I'm going to click what parts that I want to keep. So like here I want to click this one and this one. That's going to make a nice corner there. I want to keep this line and this line. So that's going to make a nice edge corner there. And then here, same kind of thing. I want to click this line and this line. It's going to make a nice corner, and it's going to trim that up for me. So that's Trim Extend to Corner. One continuous loop. I'm going to hit the green check mark. Says that we need to unjoin the elements, so we're going to do that. And now here's how I'm able to get that roof to be filled in. The wall goes through, and when I select the wall, that's why if I hide the roof here, you're going to see that's why the wall has this kind of weird shape to it, because of that design. Okay, I do have another one on the back side of, so as you take a look, I do have another one here on the back side of the house. I'm going to do the exact same procedure. I'm going to join the roof to the proper wall that it should be. And then it's got a real small profile that I need to fix, but it's going to be this wall right here. Edit the profile. It's going to remove the top and bottom constraint. I'm going to look at the back. And same kind of scenario. Pick the lines. I'm going to choose the underneath edge of the roof line and the top edge and along the eave. And then I can use Trim Extend to Corner. Make sure to pick the lines. So again, this is where Revit and Inventor are a little bit different. You want to choose the parts that you want to keep, as opposed to Inventor, where you're choosing the parts that you want to delete. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the green check mark. We're going to unjoin the elements. And now there fixes our gaps in our roof. Our roof is all done, and we are good to go. So this has been finishing up the roof and doing a little bit of advanced wall editing, so that way we don't have any gaps in our home.